Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviewer Winspections. Today, I have something a little different for you, an honest product review. We've all been there, scrolling through reviews, wondering if a product lives up to the hype. Well, today, I'm putting the best all-in-one printers to the test. No fluff, no sugarcoating, just straight up honesty about whether this thing is worth your hard-earned cash. Stick around as we dive into the good, the bad, and the downright surprising aspects of top 5 all-in-one printers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because, on this channel, we keep it 100%. Let's do this. Number 1. Brother Inkjet All-in-One Printer. Brother's MFC J1170DW has succeeded in an area where so many all-in-one printers have failed: reliability. All of the printer's functions continue to work after months of regular use. If you rely on your printer for work, this level of sustained performance is critically important. Setting up the printer, from unboxing and setting up its ink cartridges to getting it on our home network, only took about 15 minutes. There was no app to download, and our greatest annoyance was punching in our password on the MFC J1170DW smallish screen. Our tests included connecting the printer to smartphones, tablets, and computers, plus running the printer through its paces. Prints, be they documents or photos, came out clearly and quickly. As it's not a dedicated photo printer, this printer's photography performance will depend on your image's resolution, but expect solid results when using photo paper. Number 2. HP OfficeJet Pro All-in-One Printer. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9025 has some impressive options when it comes to wireless connectivity. While you can connect it to your computer or network over USB or Ethernet, you'll be able to hook it up to your home's Wi-Fi network for wireless printing from all your devices. Through a process called self-healing, the printer can automatically detect any issues and automatically trigger a 3-stage reconnection process. This will save you the frustration of turning to a manual, YouTube tutorial, or customer support. While many printers support wireless printing from devices in your home, the OfficeJet Pro 9025 can be connected to a QuickBooks or Google Drive account, allowing you to print documents or photos stored on the cloud. This will be easier using HP's Smart Access app on iOS or Android, since the printer's built-in screen is on the smaller side. Number 3. Epson EcoTank Pro Color Printer. While the Epson EcoTank Pro ET5850 is an investment, it will deliver the best overall performance when it comes to printing. The inkjet printer can send out sheets of paper at near laser printer speeds and is one of 2 printers with a 500 capacity sheet tray. This is because the printer has a pair of trays rather than one. The EcoTank Pro ET5850's most practical feature is its use of ink bottles rather than cartridges. Epson says you should be able to use this printer regularly for 2 years without having to add any ink. It goes on to clarify this means 7,500 monochrome or 6,000 color prints, which is very impressive. You will pay a heavy upfront cost for this printer but won't have to continually pump money into ink cartridges frequently. This is the ultimate inkjet printer and a great get for small businesses or a cluster of folks working remotely. Number 4. Brother Inkjet All-in-One Printer. Brother's MFC J1170DW has succeeded in an area where so many all-in-one printers have failed: reliability. All of the printer's functions continue to work after months of regular use. If you rely on your printer for work, this level of sustained performance is critically important. Setting up the printer, from unboxing and setting up its ink cartridges to getting it on our home network, only took about 15 minutes. There was no app to download, and our greatest annoyance was punching in our password on the MFC J1170DW smallish screen. Our tests included connecting the printer to smartphones, tablets, and computers, plus running the printer through its paces. Prints, be they documents or photos, came out clearly and quickly. As it's not a dedicated photo printer, this printer's photography performance will depend on your image's resolution, but expect solid results when using photo paper. Number 5. HP Smart All-in-One Printer. We dubbed the HP Smart Tank 7602 the best all-in-one option in our guide to the best home office printers, and the presence of a built-in fax has earned it a place here. It has a high upfront cost, but like the Epson EcoTank Pro ET5850, it uses ink bottles as fuel rather than cartridges. HP says you should get roughly 2 years of regular printing without buying another bottle, but clarifies it means roughly 6,000 monochrome or 8,000 color pages. Regardless of the metric you follow, you shouldn't have to think about ink for a long time. On another eco-friendly note, HP says this printer is made from 25% recycled materials, which can't be said for most other printers, which are big, plastic boxes. The EcoTank ET2800 can up to 15 pages per minute, which is faster than the average inkjet printer but can't touch the performance of laser printers. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.